Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We're doing a Cobra 29LTD Chrome today. This is a tune-up report for Robert in Maryland. He asked me to put an RFX 75 on here, put an echo board, receiver modification, tune-ups, and he sent me one of these. You've seen one of these before. This is a 4-pill FatBoy audio enhancer. Yeah. We'll match it up to that. Let's take a look with the radio first. Did I say this is for Robert in Maryland?
Yes.
Yes, I did. All right, let's check it out on the watt meter, Robert. Let's dial it down for just the radio. And we'll put a 50 watt slug in over here. Oh wait, we'll put 100 in. All right. Carrier, 5 watts. 5.5 maybe. Peak power, 100 watt slug. We'll be reading the power right across here. 40, 50, 60, 60, 40, 40, 60, 80. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2. Okay, so that's the radio by itself. Now we're going to switch this over. We're going to put this to read 300 watts across the bottom here. 100, 200, 300. I'm going to turn this guy on. And we'll take a look at the bottom scale there now. See, it's right about 175. That's where I put it. Now on this peak reading watt meter, I'm going to go ahead and put a 1,000 watt slug in. We'll be reading power across the bottom here. See the 60 here? We're going to be just a little over it. Maybe 650. Audio, check. Audio. So with the 1,000 watt slug, that's 600 where it says 60. Audio, check. Audio. Alright. Let's change the scale of that. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Alright, there she is. I'm going to put her out on the air. Oh, by the way, on that voltage there, we were at about 13.5, 0.52 maybe, 55. I know that seems like a bit below 13.8, but that's about what I see a lot. I see it all the time, and if that's what I see in these guys' vehicles, that's what I'm tuning up to, just to make sure that he's not all perfect at 14 volts, and then he gets it in his car where he's really going to be putting out 13.3 or something, and it doesn't sound right. So I prepared for that. So the 650 you saw was at 13.5 volts. At 14 or better, it's going to do even better than that. Let's check it out here. The skip just rolled out on us. Maybe we can get some local communication going. How about it, Channel 19? Can I get a radio check over here in Fort Lauderdale? Break. Yeah, really. I got a bridge I want to sell you. Will you come over here?
Which one? Which bridge is that? The 7-mile bridge on the way down to me?
Yeah.
I'm Atlantic Avenue at 95.
10-4 on Atlantic 95. Sounding good, driver.